Hey friends, I just want to do a quick tutorial today showing how I handle my audio while streaming. I wanted to make this because I couldn't find this tutorial anywhere on the internet, nor the information I was looking for anywhere else. So I wanted to show quickly how I was able to break my audio out into different channels so that when I'm streaming, I'm able to capture just the raw game footage along with the raw game audio as well. And so this won't include my stream overlay, it won't include my music that I'm playing while streaming, it won't include my alerts. It will only capture what is happening in game along with that game audio so that I'm then able to take that and run it through editing software and able to edit it. First thing you'll need is Voicemeeter Banana. This is a virtual audio mixer program that is available for free online. You can donate, and I highly suggest that you do, as it is a very robust program, and I use it for a lot of things. The first thing you want to do is select your audio outputs, and so this will be your Elgato right here, and the second one will be your audio device that you're hearing for yourself. So for me, that's my headset. It could be also your speakers, but generally it should just be the headset that you're wanting to hear the audio through. So once those are selected, you'll want to go down here, and these are the virtual inputs. So these are where the audio is coming through, and you'll want to have them send through to both of your hardware outs. So A1 is your Elgato, A2 is your headset. So you want to send the input through to your outputs on both of these. Next thing you want to do is come down here to your sound settings, and you will want to change your output device for Windows to be the voice meter input. This will make sure that Windows is sending all the sound from your system in through to voice meter, and then voice meter will be able to handle its mixing to send it to both your Elgato and your headset as we defined before. Once that's done, we'll also want to come down here to our advanced sound options, and we'll also want to decide where some of our other audio options are going to as well. So for me personally, I play music through Google Chrome. I use Pandora to play music, as well as I might play like a YouTube clip or maybe watch a Twitch clip or something like that. I want all of that to be cut out from my raw game footage, right? So I will have my output from Google Chrome going through to the voice meter auxiliary input. So this will bypass your system sounds and just immediately go straight towards voice meter and then gets output via Elgato and your headset. Doesn't even hit your system, right? Now I could do the same thing for my Streamlabs chatbot as well. Um, I could have it set through here too, but I didn't need to do that since the chatbot itself has an option in there to decide where the audio is going to be going out. So you can see in my chatbot settings, my audio device, I'm able to set to voice meter auxiliary input. And this will pretty much be the setting I want to do for anything that I don't want to be in the recording. So if I'm going to be playing music through, say, Spotify or something like that, I'd want Spotify to go through voice meter auxiliary input rather than have it sent to my default device. Last thing you want to do is go into your OBS settings and go into your audio settings and go to desktop audio. This will be the audio that I will be recording. And I also want this set to voice meter input. So not auxiliary input, just regular input. And so this will separate my audio into two channels. So input is just going to be my regular uh, game sounds input. And my auxiliary input is going to be all the things that I use for streaming. Once that is done, we can clearly see that any music that we're playing through Chrome is going through voice meter banana, and so I can hear it right now in my headset, and I can also verify that it is being sent through my Elgato and being seen on my streaming PC. However, if we look on OBS, we can see that there is no audio coming through right here. So it is completely isolated from our capture device on our gaming PC. So this will allow us to record locally on our gaming PC while separating any of the sound that may be coming through from our gaming PC.